Allah did make special mention about this month and the Quran. And when he said, شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن هدى للناس وبينات من الهدى. The month of Ramadan, and he named this month. When he mentioned the months of the year being 12 and 4 of them are holy, he only mentioned one by name, Ramadan. شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن. The month in which the Quran was revealed. Guidance for people and clarity which provides that guidance. So Allah made special mention of the revelation of Quran in Ramadan. So there is that connection. There from revelation is connection there from the practice of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So we should give time to the reading of the Quran in this month. It's encouraged, strongly encouraged. But we have to remember that the goal of the reading of the Quran is what? Taqwa. It's the same goal of the fasting, ihsan. That's what the goal is. Not to be able to say at the end of Ramadan, I read a whole Quran. 2 times. Another one says, I did it 4 times. MashaAllah. No. What the goal is to have read the Quran, reflected upon it, and try to act on what we have learned from our readings.